Hey guys, today I want to show y'all what I just got in the mail. I went ahead and opened it up, but I wanted to show y'all the cute box. I'm going to try to make this quick. So look how cute. This is from the makeup company called ColourPop. You can order from their website. Anyways, I ordered a few eyeshadow palettes and a few other items, and I wanted to show y'all that they definitely bubble wrap this, and they do a really good job. So I went ahead and already looked at everything, and I went ahead and swatched everything. That way, hopefully it won't take as long. But so I put everything back in their boxes to show you. So here's the first item I want to share with y'all. This is from their sister brand that they also sell on their website, and this is called Fourth Ray Beauty is the brand that is sold on ColourPop, but it's their Fresh AF Mist, and it has 4.15 fluid ounce, so it's a good size bottle, and it says we can all use a little extra juju. And it says on the back of it, it says the good stuff. Tibetan ginseng promotes a revived complexion. It has white lily, and it's known for its conditioning properties, which promote healthy skin. Also has rose water, and that's known for its antioxidant properties, which protect and condition the skin, and also cucumber water, and that supports healthy, hydrated skin. So I wanted to show y'all that it opens up in a definitely a unique type of way. So let me turn it around. So when you open it up, it says we are Fourth Ray Beauty. Then you open that part up, and it says formulate effective skincare that delivers, brag-worthy to tell all your friends about. Then it says no secrets, no surprises, no BS. You can trust us. That's cute. And then you open it up. There's your spray. Sorry about that. So here, and I just dropped it, but here's what the actual bottle looks like. It's like a very pale peach or pink. I guess it'd be peach because the box is more peach. So I'll show you what see, there's the mist. You get a nice thick mist, and it smells really good. It smells like cucumber water. That's exactly what it smells like. So there's that. So I'm super excited to try that out. And the next item, and I've never tried one of their sprays before. The only thing I have is a few eyeshadow palettes, and then I have 2 different types of their lip glosses. They have a few different ones, and I have like one of each, and I like both of them as well. And I love the eyeshadow palettes that I've gotten. Alright, so they have lipstick, matte lipsticks. They have these things called Lippy Stick. That's what it's called. Look how cute. And it's in the shade Aftershock, and this is a matte formula. So here's what the actual product looks like, and it tells you the shade color name, and here's that. It's a very pretty mauvey type color, and I already swatched it. Wow, it's really creamy. Oh, wow. That feels like creamy butter going on the lips. Wow. And that is in the shade Aftershock, and that's their matte. So it goes on creamy, but it dries matte. So that's the shade that it looks when it dries. Alright, enough of that. So, oh, and their eyeshadow palettes, they were put in extra layer of bubble wrap. So 2 came in a pack and then 1 by itself. I've got 3 of those to show y'all, and I've already swatched them. Okay, so what made me get these is I seen an email. Anyways, they had did a surprise release. They didn't say anything about it, and it's like right there on the email. So when I seen it, they came out with 3 brand new eye palettes, and so there was 3 to choose from, but I only ordered 2 of them because the third one I wasn't the biggest fan of the colors, because there was actually a different palette that they've had out for a while that I've had my eyes on, and I've been wanting to get this one. So instead of getting the third new one that I didn't care for, I went ahead and got the one I've been wanting for several months now. So I still spent the same amount. And these are the 2 brand new eye palettes. They just came out like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago maybe. Not even. Literally the day they came out is when I ordered it, and the next day they shipped this out. But it took about almost a week to get here. So they had 3 of these. They had like an orange theme, like a pastel purpley, bluish, pinkish theme, and then the other one was kind of an uglier green, like greens and yellows, and I just didn't like the color story. But here is the first one, and it's called Miss Bliss, and look how cute the packaging is. So I'll show you what the palette looks like. So this is Miss Bliss, and on the back it tells you the shades, and I've already swatched all these, and so when you open her up, this was over the shadows, but anyways, you get a mirror, and here what the actual shades look like. And the middle one is a pressed glitter, and with the pressed glitters you usually need to wear a glitter, like a glitter primer glue. And I actually just got this in yesterday. Excuse me. I ordered my glitter glue from Amazon because I have several palettes that have the glitter in it, and I don't wear it because I hadn't had any. So I've been wanting to get this, and I found this from Amazon for under $5. So there's that. So I haven't tried that out. So anyways, here's the Miss Bliss palette, and here are the shades. So here's the first one. So right there, and they go in order. These are the first. So this is a 9-pan palette. Here's the first 3 shades right there. The next 3, here's the glitter, the pressed glitter. And then here are the last 3 shades. And about 4 of them have like a matte glitter formula. So a lot of them had glitter. Most of them did. There was only like 3 mattes, I believe, in this palette. Yeah. It got 1, 2 actual mattes. And then you got 2, 3 that's like a matte with some little bit of shimmer in it. So it's like a matte shimmer. And then you've got 1, 2 to 3 like metallic, foiled metallic-y, like real slick like ones. Anyways, so that's one of the brand new palettes, which is called the tie-dye thing, I believe. Then they had a few other products. They had a whole bunch of cute pastel eyeliners, but they were totally sold out. So here's the second palette that I bought, and it's called In a Trance. I love the color. So let me show you what the actual palette looks like. So the lipstick is dried, and it did transfer a smidge, so maybe it needs another minute or so, but it has been on a few minutes. Alright, so here is the purple palette in a trance. Here's what it looks like in the back. So here's the colors. And these are more like pastel-y looking colors. So you got a little bit of pinky purples, a little touch of blue. And this also has a pressed glitter as well. And the two pressed glitters look really similar. But when I swatch them, the orange, so here's the orange palette, here's the purpley palette. See the two middle shades? The glitters look very, very similar. But the orange palette, the glitter was much smoother. Was easier to swatch. And the blue palette, the pressed glitter was really chunky, which you'll probably be able to see. Alright, so I'm going to show you what the blue... Alright, so I'm going to have to show you like that. Alright. I don't want my watch getting dirty. Alright, so here are the... And this one's a lighter color story. These were much like pastel colors. So I did swatch those twice. All these are done twice. So there's the first three. The second, the middle row, there's the pressed glitter. It's very chunky. And then the last three. So they're very pretty, very pastel looking. And then there's the orange one, which has some light. These are definitely more on the lighter version, pastel looking. But there's the purpley one. And I cannot wait to do an eye look with these. And the last and third palette I bought, this is the one they've had out for a while. This is another pan, and this is called Meant to Be. Look how gorgeous. I love the color. Here's the back. I should have already just taken them out. Alright, so here's what it actually looks like. So this matches my other four that I originally got a while back ago. Like the Blue Moon and Lilac You a Lot. And this one's Meant to Be. So, of course, the palette... Oh, these are all plastic. And they all have mirrors. And it's got the foam. So here is what the Meant to Be. So it's an all green palette. I'm so excited. These were gorgeous. I love all three of these. I'm very happy. And I kind of wished I would have picked up the third one from the tie-dyed collection. But, oh well. I didn't love it as much. So here is the swatch. Damn it. Can't really see it that well. So here are the first three. I don't know why. So here are the first three. Then the next batch. Cannot believe we're not able to see this. Well, how dumb of me. Anyways, there's all those. We got a few shimmer shades, like metallic-y ones. And this is definitely... So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, I think that's a match. 2, 3, 4. I think there's 5. There, you might could see it. There's the shades. And these are pretty light as well. So it looks like we have 5 matte shades and then 2, 3, maybe 4 like soft shades, like foiled metallic-y. And there's no pressed glitters in this, which I'm glad there isn't. So I'm super excited. I love all 3 of the palettes. You can order these from ColourPop website. This one is not their new one, but these 2 are. I'm super excited. Let me know down below which palette you loved the best. Which one was your favorite out of these 3. And let me know if you've tried ColourPop before. And if you like them, or if you don't. And I really like this lipstick. That is a perfect everyday shade. anybody could wear this shade. This went on beautifully, and I cannot wait to try out this Fresh AF Mist. I thought this was more of their setting spray, but hell, I'm sure I could use it. So that is everything that I ordered from ColourPop. So I think I want to try out a few new looks with this palette, with these palettes, and try it out. So stay tuned for that, and let me know which palette you liked, if you tried them, if you want to try them, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Oh yeah, look at my new earrings. I love cats. They're my favorite. And these are black ones, and they have little stars and little flower cutouts. How adorable. I did an unboxing, but if you hadn't seen it. And then look at this. I also got that at the same time. I got this cat face spinning ring. Look at the, it's got little cat faces. And I love it. And then I needed a new watch, so I got me this, it's a cat's doing different little things and poses. So it's just a black watch. And the watch was like $10. The ring was like 10 or 12. My earrings were like, I don't know, 6 or 7. And I found all that on Amazon. So they got, if you're needing some new jewelry, go check out Amazon. They got all kinds of jewelry there. I was lost looking at all kinds of jewelry. And then I got another pair of really cute flamingo earrings, and I just stuck those. This is what the cat thing came with, but look at those adorable pink flamingos. It's silver and pink. I love these too. They look really good. I'll be wearing these a lot. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please subscribe and hit the like button and the subscribe button and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.